I just finished watching the Mary Kay Super Summit. It was canceled this year because of the coronavirus, so they did it live online so that all of the representatives could enjoy it. I was not going to be able to go because I own a real estate company and I can't travel right now because, well, nobody can travel right now. But before coronavirus, I couldn't go anywhere because I needed to stay here to run my company. And just maybe 2 months ago, I started Mary Kay, mainly because I'm a really good customer. And so I really enjoyed the Mary Kay Super Summit. They gave us lots of tips about how we can help our customers during this time. Since you can purchase products online, all you need is to know about the products. So I plan to do a series of videos to show you some Mary Kay. And I'm just about to do a virtual happy hour with Charleston Lemon 50 Plus, which I'm really excited about because it'll be my first social contact in 3 weeks. Getting a little crazy here, but just so, I should tell you what I'm wearing on my lips because this is my first time and I love this stuff. It is Sparkleberry Nourish Shine Plus Lip Gloss, of course, by Mary Kay. Really nice. I like it because I don't need to do the lip liner, and it's sheer, so it gets, well, it doesn't, I've worn it before and eaten and everything, so it's really good stuff. It makes my lips feel great. So I'll be getting back with you about some product demonstrations in the very near future. Of course, following this, I have to do my usual at the end candid shots to show you how your attitude makes such a difference in how you look. No matter what kind of skincare and makeup you use, most of your beauty comes from your attitude. So, here it is.